हेलो एवरीवन। आज बात करते हैं 2021 मेरे लिए कैसा था। वैसे तो मैं थैंकफुल हूँ कि 2021 ख़त्म होने वाला है। कल नया साल आने वाला है 2022। ये होप करती हूँ और ये प्रे करती हूँ कि आने वाला साल खुशियाँ तंदुरुस्तियाँ लेके आए और दिलों की मजबूतियाँ लेके आए। जो 2020 एंड 2021 में दूरियां बढ़ी हैं, दूरियां पैंडमिक की वजह से, फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस, जान माल का बहुत नुकसान और पता नहीं क्या क्या हुआ, मैं नहीं दोहराना चाहती। पर मेरे लिए 2021 एक ऐसा ईयर था जो कि 2020 को कंटिन्यू कर रहा था। 2020 एक ऐसा ईयर था जो बहुत ही भयानक था सबके लिए, और वो कंटिन्यू हुआ 2021 में, फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी itself and from the year 2020. There were no doctors available. We were not allowed to go outside. And the year was totally with depression, pain, crying, क्योंकि पूरी फैमिलियाँ अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ में थे। सबको कोविड हुआ। कोविड का बहुत ही भयानक रिजल्ट था, बचेंगे या नहीं बचेंगे। बट पॉजिटिव ये हुआ कि सब लोग 2020 को क्रॉस कर गए। एंड 2021 में आते ही एक ऐसा दौर शुरू हुआ मेरे लिए जो कि सिर्फ हॉस्पिटल्स एंड डायग्नोस एंड मेडिसिन का था। बट कि एक बहुत ही लंबी चली आ रही एलिमेंट को डॉक्टर्स ने ट्रेस किया और मैंने हिम्मत की, और लॉकडाउन में ही मेरा सर्जरी हुआ और मैं सर्वाइव करी। एंड उसके बाद सेकंड टाइम मुझे जब कोविड हुआ, जो डेल्टा वर्जन है, 20 डेज़ की सर्जरी के बाद ही, 35 डेज़ के बाद मैंने उससे भी सर्वाइव किया। एंड कि वो जो डिप्रेशन वाला पीरियड था, ये जो पेनफुल प्रोसेस था, अच्छी बात इसकी ये थी कि मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग थी। मुझे मरने से डर नहीं लगता था, बहुत ही पॉजिटिव थी और हर चीज़ को फेस करने के लिए मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड थी मैं। एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा अटैच्ड थी। पर इस 2021 के ख़त्म होते होते इतनी चीटिंग, डिसेप्शन एंड लॉसेस एंड लोगों के रियल कलर, रिलेशनशिप के रियल कलर, एंड आप जब ग्रोथ करते हो और लोग आपको जब रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं, रेसिज्म, पॉलिटिक्स, शायद ये दुनिया भर का ही हिस्सा है, शायद ये हर जगह है, हर घर में है। तो मुझे लगता है कि टोटल मिलाकर 2021 एक ऐसा ईयर था जिसने मुझे इतना सिखाया, इतना सिखाया, इतना सिखाया। देयर वॉज अ टाइम कि मुझे घर का काम करने की आदत नहीं थी बहुत सालों से। मेरे पास मेड हुआ करती थी, और जब मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ, जब मैं मूव नहीं कर सकती थी, जब मेरे पूरे स्टिचेस थे, मैं बैठ नहीं सकती थी, चल नहीं सकती थी, कुछ नहीं कर सकती थी। एंड मुझे इतने ज़्यादा एलर्जीज हुए कि मैं ना वेजिटेबल्स कट कर सकती थी, ना फ्रूट्स कट कर सकती थी, ना डो मिक्स कर सकती थी। टोटली डिपेंडेंट थी मेड पे। और 20 दिन की सर्जरी में maid was working with somebody else also. They full family, they were COVID positive. She was working with me and taking care of me. I got positive. She was working because my mother was with me. She got positive, I think, but she was so sick for 20 days. तो यू नो वो 20 डेज़ के बाद मम्मी को, क्योंकि आई वॉज पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि मम्मी को मुझे अपने से दूर करना पड़ा। एंड that was the period when I was not able to move, when I was totally sick, when I was so weak. And I found that yes, I'm so much dependent on this maid. And within 1 month of surgery, I decided that I will not take any house help in future, because it will make you so weak, and those people to whom we are so dependent on, they can leave us anytime and we will be in bigger trouble. Then I decided to do all my work. Slowly, I started doing my home work. It was my responsibility to take my responsibility because I was all alone. There was nobody. And my doctor, she was writing the medicines on WhatsApp. All the conversation was happening on. And I don't want to say that it was a bad year, पर हाँ, लोगों के जो सही दिखाई दिए ना मुझे, एक आई एम ए सो सेंसिटिव एंड इमोशनल पर्सन. नाउ आई कैन से yes, I am an emotional fool. People will cheat you so easily. They can take the advantage of your feeling, your emotion so easily, that everything happened to me. And in between, I don't know what happened. I decided to make me physically fit. I decided to eliminate my medicines. I started taking care of myself, my food. I I disconnected myself from the outer world, which was totally fake and materialistic, and I got attached to myself. When I got attached to myself, I realized so many things, like all the relationships, all the friend circles, everybody in this world is so cunning, so practical, so selfish. And I was sailing my boat in the sea with emotions. I lost my eyesight. It was so hard to see this world because I was actually in a deep depression. I was on the medication of depression. I was not able to sleep without that. I was getting panic attacks and all. I don't know how I got the courage and how I started doing exercises and how I started swimming because I was so scared of water. I was uh, living with water phobia, but I won the battle of water phobia. I started swimming on level 1, the basic levels. Like I can swim in around 10 meter or 5 feet, very small. It's level 1, right? Then I started doing gym because I was so weak. I was not able to hand anything. My muscles were so weak, and I lost the muscle mass. You know, I was I was so, I can say I was so weak. And I started doing gym, and suddenly I got that confidence back. I got the boost of the energy, my confidence, and I started working on it. And there are so many other works was I was doing simultaneously: my social responsibilities, my physical responsibilities, my mental health, my family, my mother, and my other, like my medical treatments and all, they were going simultaneously. And I can say I become more strong. There is one thing that I want to eliminate in coming year. It's my emotions. I want to become emotional strong person, mental strong person. So I will also behave, and the other people behavior will not affect me. I am very weak person, I can say, if I'm so emotional, because nobody is having emotion in this practical and monetary and materialistic world. Nobody will like you if you're so emotional. They will like your things, your capabilities, your resources, to use you, but not as a person you are. And yes, I am very emotional and sensitive person, and I hope I will not be an emotional fool in 2022. That is my target. With other so many health issues, I'm carrying forward to 2022, and I have given 6 months time, and I have accepted, because there are so many medicines my body has given up. It's not suiting me, and I'm giving 6 months time. I'm allergic to so many foods. I am eliminating every single food, but I cannot eliminate the environment which is surrounded by me. So let us see if I'm okay by within 6 months, or I don't know how it's going to happen or how it's going to end. I'm trying my level best to improve myself, um, physically, mentally, and emotionally. That is my priority. I have already informed everybody that Next year in 2023, it means I will not do anything other than my physical health, my mental health, my emotional health, and my priorities to be dependent, like, like I was in my young age. I want to do every single thing by myself, and I want to take the decisions independently. I don't want to depend on anybody for any decision. I want to take the responsibility of my life myself, because I was not the person like I'm becoming nowadays. I am I am in a society which is very educated, very much developed, well established society. But I don't know where they are stuck. They do something, they show something, and they are something. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's totally fake. They don't mean what they say, they don't do what they say, they don't apply what they mean, right? So all these things were so confusing in last 2 years. 2019 was the beautiful year of my life. 2020 was a painful year, but I faced the pandemic, and I came out of that, and I cured, I think, a great big health issue. I solved that, and out of that, some or other issues are still there, because this is life. This is lifeline. It should be up and down. There should be up and down in the life. So we will get experienced by passing the time, by coming out with challenges, and we'll get we'll become more stronger than before. I think time is showing me a way to live independently, lonely but strong. I have to face so many things, I know, because I have decided to stay back in India. um, it is going to give me a very tough time, but it's okay. I have accepted the challenge already in this year. I have already decided so many things, but I have to work on it. I don't know whether I'll continue gym or not, because of, again, this Omicron version of Corona, and maybe gyms will work or not. I am not sure about that. And there is one more thing I want to add in my lifestyle, that like I added gym as my lifestyle, because there is no good inside pool here nearby. I am not able to swim, but I want to add yoga and meditation in 2022. I hope I'll do the justice with me, because this is so blessed life. God has blessed me with good life. I should enjoy it. I should live in present, and I think I should be more mentally, physically, emotionally strong to live a better life. That's what I'm looking. And the year was so hectic for me, medically, physically, and I learned so many things. You know, I don't cry now for small issues. I was so emotional in 2020, and this year in 2021, in December, I'm not crying for anything. If somebody is cheating, it's okay. I'm just forgiving. Like, let it go वाला बिहेवियर मेरा हो गया है. एंड मुझे अब समझ आने लग गया है कि आई कैन नॉट चेंज पीपल, बट आई कैन एलिमिनेट देम. आई कैन स्टॉप देम. आई कैन ओनली स्टॉप देम to disturb me, because even I have a life, even I have things to do. If I will not think about myself, who will think about it? I am the right person to think, to decide, to do good for me. Yes, I have to be very, very careful for deception. There are लोगों ने सिर्फ पैसे के बारे में सोचना शुरू किया है, तो बहुत डेंजरस है आने वाला टाइम. जब लोग सिर्फ पैसा कमाने की सोचते हैं, तो उस पैसे कमाने के लालच में वो आपको कितना भी नीचे गिरा सकते हैं. ये चीज़ें भी बहुत देखी हैं, बट मुझे लगता है कि मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. मैं भी उस टाइटैनिक में सवार हूँ जिसमें दुनिया चल रही है, तो मैं भी चेंज नहीं कर सकती. मैं सिर्फ प्रिकॉशन ले सकती हूँ. मुझे कई बार इतना अजीब लगता है कि इतनी केयरफुल होने के बाद, इतना कुछ मालूम होने के बाद भी बहुत कुछ गलत कर जाते हैं लोग। बहुत कुछ गलत हो जाता है हमारे साथ। हमारी आँखों के सामने ही बहुत कुछ हो जाता है और हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। सिर्फ़ मायूस और मजबूर होके देखते हैं कि ये हुआ कैसे? हाउ कैन इट हैपन? लाइक हाउ कुड इट इज़ पॉसिबल? लाइक कैसे हो सकता है? पर वो होता है। लोग बहुत मतलबी हो गए हैं। रिश्तों में बहुत दरारें पड़ गई हैं। रिश्ते बहुत मतलबी हो गए हैं। हर चीज़ में पैसा इन्वॉल्व हो चुका है। तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, पैसे कमाना चाहिए, ज़रूरत है, पर लूटना, चीटिंग करना तो सही नहीं है ना। आप किसी को चीटिंग करके कामयाब नहीं हो सकते। आपकी वो कामयाबी बहुत टेम्परेरी होती है। तो मैं टेम्परेरी चीज़ों में बिलीव नहीं करती, पर सब कुछ टेम्परेरी ही होता है एक्चुअली। तो ये भी है कि मैं फ़्लो के अगेंस्ट में हूँ। सच बोलने वाले बंदे को और सही रहने वाले बंदे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। मुझे भी होंगी और ज़्यादा होंगी और ज़्यादा होंगी। और मैं शायद एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि मैं खामोश हो जाऊँगी। पता नहीं मुझे कैसे हो जाऊँगी जब मैं बोलूँगी नहीं कुछ भी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ। आई डोंट नो, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ देयर इन 2022। आई होप आई should be there to discuss 2022 also in the month of December. Hope this year will give us happiness, health, and prosperity. There should be peace everywhere in the world. There should be happiness everywhere in the world. There should be good health. Everybody should grow. Everyone should live in peace. That's what my prayers are, my thoughts are. Thank you so very much for watching Jeet God TVs and my 2021 journey.